In this video, we will introduce the music function of the FX7 unit. Play music, pause music. After pairing the FX7 unit with the phone, we open the music player. Press the function button once to start playing music. Press the function button again to pause the music. Volume up, volume down. Rotate the knob clockwise and hold for 1 second to increase the music volume. Rotate the knob counterclockwise and hold for 1 second to decrease the music volume. Play previous, play next. Rotate the knob counterclockwise once to switch to the previous song. Rotate the knob clockwise once to switch to the next song. That's the complete tutorial of the FX7 music function. Thank you for watching.